You've been told that investing is the path to freedom. You download an app, click a few buttons, and suddenly, you're an investor. But here is the brutal truth that Wall Street doesn't want you to know. The easier they make it for you to invest, the easier it is for them to take your money. Most people aren't investing. They're participating in a sophisticated game of psychological manipulation. If you feel like you're doing everything right, buying the dips, following the gurus, but your bank account is still bleeding, it's not bad luck. It's a design feature. Today, we're peeling back the curtain on how your brain is being exploited and how to stop the cycle before you lose everything. Why do trading apps look like casinos? Why do they use bright colors, gamification, and one-click trading? It's not for your convenience. It's to bypass your prefrontal cortex, the part of your brain responsible for logic and long-term planning, and trigger your dopamine receptors. When you see a graph move, your brain reacts exactly like it's pulling a slot machine handle. This is called the variable reward schedule. You don't know if you'll make money or lose it. And that uncertainty is the most addictive substance on Earth. You aren't investing. You're gambling with a UI that's designed to keep you addicted. Let's talk about the convenience trap. High-frequency trading algorithms move at the speed of light. While you're tapping your screen to buy a stock, institutional investors have already traded that stock 1,000 times before your order even reaches the exchange. You are playing a game where the house not only has the edge, they have the roadmap to your next move. They know your stop losses. They know your risk tolerance. When you invest blindly because an app made it easy, you're providing the liquidity for the institutions to make their exit. You aren't the investor. You are the product. So, how do you beat a system that's designed to extract wealth from you? You stop playing their game. You need to develop dark intelligence regarding your finances. Delay gratification. If an app makes it too easy to buy, uninstall it. Use a boring legacy brokerage account that requires a desktop login. Remove the frictionless access. Focus on asymmetry. Stop chasing trends. Trends are where the smart money dumps their bags on retail investors. Look for long-term value that doesn't show up on a flashy ticker tape. The 72-hour rule. Never execute an investment idea the day you have it. Wait 72 hours. If the urge to buy disappears, it was just a psychological impulse, not a financial decision. Money is not just math. It's a reflection of your discipline. The system wants you reactive, emotional, and impulsive. If you can master your own psychology, you've already won 90% of the battle. Don't let a UI designer dictate your financial future. Take back control. If you want to dive deeper into the tactics they use to keep you poor, I've put together a breakdown of how the smart money actually maneuvers.